frozen strawberry slices. Coming in with 1 bag of mini marshmallows. All right, grabbing my large measuring cup here, putting in 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 cup milk, and I'm gonna do 3 eggs. I'm sure y'all can guess where this is going. Number 3, perfect. Just gonna get all my wet ingredients here whipped together real quick. We're making a super, super easy, delicious dessert. It's perfect for the springtime coming up. You can make this for Valentine's Day or Easter. Now I'm just gonna add in my cake mix. You can use yellow or white, whatever your preference is. And we're just gonna get this all folded in together. This is already coming together so quickly. And y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. You can do this with any fruit, doesn't have to be strawberries, but I thought strawberries would be perfect for this. All right, perfect. Now that we've got this all mixed, I'm just gonna grab my ingredients here and we're gonna pour this all on top of our 13 by 9, right on top of those strawberries and marshmallows, making sure we get all of our cake batter out. And we're gonna give it a light spread, but of course it's gonna spread on its own as well. Coming in with some strawberry jello. I'm just using a small package here, that like 3.4 ounces. And we're gonna get this spread all the way across. Now I'm gonna come back in with some more of those strawberry slices. You wanna get those kind of just edge to edge. Can't spread our jello, but don't worry about it. I've got one more thing coming that's gonna get it nice and into an even layer. All right, I'm just gonna put in 1 cup of water here. That's gonna activate that jello, especially when it bakes and gets all warmed up here. It's gonna go perfectly. All right, that looks gorgeous. Check out those layers with those strawberries, those mini marshmallows. I'm gonna bake this at 350 for 35 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, our strawberry dream cake is ready. It was about 35 minutes in the oven. You look at this gorgeous marshmallows all bubbled up. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so tasty. Look at that, wow.
Yes, please.
Yes, look at that. It's almost like a cobbler and a cake all in one. You top this with some vanilla ice cream or Cool Whip or whipped cream. Oh my God, that's amazing. Y'all, this is so good. You gotta try it.